Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader, known as Fijian Traders. This is your host, Mr. Singh. Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. Folks, what a week. Roller coaster week. Lows all the way to $21.72 and even the high of $24.10. Well, before I dive on, break down everything on technical analysis, I want to cover the fundamentals in my portfolio as well. Then we're going to circle back on the technical side. So don't go anywhere. We definitely have a lot to cover today. And I'm excited. I'm pumped about this stock. Well, Palantir Technology snapped a 6-day losing streak. And what was it was 2.1% on $22.95 at $22.95. Well, I'm going to cover what has inspired to that to going all the way. So these are the top 3 stocks on AL stocks that are been promising and has getting a lot of attention. And one is Palantir. Speaking of Palantir, it is a incredible thing with AL. Yes, this stock has been extensive side, but it's proving many critics wrong. The knock against the Palantir was it couldn't be profitable. Well, it just reported with its 5th straight GAAP profitable quarter, growing a commercial business also a struggle at times. Palantir early focus on government work and its market limited. And the private sector now has a larger potential as the information below. So every company that it starts on that, they do struggle in terms of the growth level, in terms of the profitability. And sometimes it takes time for a company to be profitable in order to grow. But now we are seeing on the 5th straight quarter of GAAP profitable quarter, Palantir, it's striving. It is one of the sleeper stock. Used to have a lot of momentum. Then we had this pullback because of less profitability. But getting big contracts from the government and even from the private sector, Palantir is proving people wrong. Okay, so what's going on? What's going on with Palantir shares today? That was for Friday. Yesterday, the company linked an impact of Oracle Corporation to provide a secure cloud and L solution to the power business and governments wide. As part of the agreement, Palantir will move Foundry workloads to Oracle Cloud infrastructure, and Palantir and Oracle are both dedicated to defending Western interests and institutions around the world, says the Josh Harris, the Executive Vice President of Palantir. Oracle distributed cloud and AL infrastructure paired with Palantir's top AL edition platforms, aiming at optimized data value and competitive edge, according to the press release. Growth, and enhancement like this, it will put Palantir stocks even higher than that, and that's what investors want to hear it, right? Because once a company is growing, getting contracts, making profitability, and keeping an eye on the operating expense or operating cost low, man, oh man, that is the best part to be investing money in a company, because it has a vision and it has more stability to stay around in the business for long. Well, regarding my portfolio, then we jump in right back into the technical side. Well, unfortunately, I am down 1% on my Palantir. I am not done loading my shares with Palantir. It is because I am waiting on the certain ground, and we're going to talk today what area that I will be loading my shares. My plan is to go up to close to 5,000 shares on that, and I am waiting to see that. Well, one of my sleeper stock, if you have not checked it out, was the OCGN, and I was covering this stock for quite a while. And when we mentioned about the breakout, on the breakout of this stock, and we covered 87%. So if you're interested as well, go ahead and check out the video. I do cover stocks that I invest on my money. Either is on red, is on green, and what are the breakout, the good news, the bad, everything I cover with any stocks, and as well as Nvidia as well. So without any further ado, let's go and talk about what we did. So definitely we had a high of $24.10 on the 1 month. You can clearly see that, which I mentioned also in my previous video, these two channels, $25.65 and $22.05 was the support level. But you can see that it is coming to be a strong support level around this area, because time and time we tested it. Even though we break through on $21.72, we kind of circle back, and on a 1 month chart we finished at $20 at $22.80 is our 60-day moving average. So $22.67 is the moving average right here. But whereas $23.46, it was going to be another one. But you can clearly see that we got rejected. We got rejected at $23.46. And right over here is the next one, which is going to be sitting around at $23.46. We're going to be breaking out. And it's trading sideways. We would definitely want to see a stock when it trades sideways. What does it mean, right? So when we came up all the way, we've been testing the $25.65. We couldn't break it. Then we came retested at $22.80. Then we came and tested. We did have a breakout. We stayed over there. Then we came back again. So we are trading into this beautiful channel right here. And I did mention when we had this selling pressure all the way to 24 that we'll see about $22.05. And we did have this pullback. But we got to break out this moving resistance, which is going to be $23.60, because you're trading below this moving average. It is a strong resistance to break. And if we don't break it, we will see making higher lows, lower highs and lower lows right over here, because we can't break it. But this is a very key level. Absolutely, they're looking at it. My next level is to do load shares at $22.05, not entire 2,500 shares, but up to like 1,000 shares up to here. And my next level is none other gonna be at $20 if it drops around this level. I don't see it having coming to $20 level, but absolutely coming back to the $22.05, an area that I will be loading my shares. But once we break out this, the pink line, which is sitting at $23.66, then where I'm gonna load another 1,500 shares around this level, because that is gonna hold. But if it breaks and it holds, it needs to hold a couple of days in order for me to give the confirmation to break out. So this is then area it becomes a loading zone. We have seen it time and time. When it came over here, people had pushed the price up, and right over here when we came back and we pushed the price up. So this is an area that I am looking to load up my shares and make higher highs and higher lows during that time. So the 6 months, what are we looking on the 6 months, folks? You can clearly see that when we were sitting at lows of $12.13 around there, and we mentioned about the breakout happening, and sure enough we did. So what he is creating a bull flag pattern from the down up trading right into his channel, and a breakout is imminent to come. But the only thing is holding us is this 2 moving average, which is very nasty to break. Any negative news comes with that. You'll see Palantir coming back to the $20, with the good news coming out like this, absolutely destroying the $25.65 and making higher highs and higher lows. RSI absolutely is on the neutral, so it is balanced either to drop or either fall. MACD has a one thing, that's why I'm more bullish right here, because it is gaining momentum on the green. But it needs to cross over all these green bars in order to give us the confirmation. So the key levels and very thin levels we are sitting on can either dictate either we pulling down or pulling up based on the news comes out from Palantir. But good news like this will push it. We'll push it and break it down. But the volume predicts price. Absolutely, we are not seeing enough volume for Palantir. And how did we did, right? The order flow. Nasty, 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 terrible. If you're a bull looking at it, bear, absolutely you're loving it. And a lot of sell. A lot of sell has been happening the past 6 days, even though we recovered a little bit on Friday. But it was a roller coaster ride on Friday, because we were seeing highs and lows at all time, because we came at 22, we went at $23.32 and created a double top bottom, and it kind of came and kind of settled the dust on Friday. Folks, here you go. This is all my technical analysis and my research on Palantir. I am a big time bull with Palantir, and I'd love to add more shares on that. But coming to a key spot where there's a loading zone, and which is going to be a $22.05 level, then I'm keeping a very close eye to add another 1,000. And then once you had the breakout, then I'm going to let another more shares on that. So folks, thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I really appreciate you guys' support. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification if you're interested to know any other stocks that I invest in my portfolio. I'd love to hear your comment. What is your target price? And what is your goal looking at it to break the in the bank on this, right? Everybody has a target price on Palantir. I still believe this stock should be over $100. I'm very amended on that. It's one of the sleeper stock. So love to hear your comments down below. Hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend, and thank you for watching once again.